Welcome to my channel. How to choose a quality used engine, a buyer's checklist. Step 1. Check engine compatibility first. Make sure the used engine matches your car's make, model, and year. Even small differences can cause fitting problems. Step 2. Ask for mileage information. Lower mileage engines usually last longer. Ask the seller for proof of mileage if possible. Step 3. Inspect for physical damage. Look for cracks, leaks, rust, or broken parts on the engine block and components. Step 4. Check service history. Ask if the engine was regularly maintained and serviced. Step 5. Perform a compression test. A compression test checks the internal health of the engine. Step 6. Look for oil leaks or sludge. Open the oil cap and check inside. Thick sludge or burnt oil smell is a bad sign. Step 7. Ask about warranty. A reliable seller should offer at least a short warranty period. Step 8. Listen to the engine, if possible. If the engine can be tested or started, listen for knocking or unusual noises. Step 9. Buy from a trusted seller. Choose reputable dealers or certified auto recyclers instead of unknown private sellers. Step 10. Compare price with market value. If the price is too cheap, it may be a red flag. Important: extremely low prices often hide serious engine issues. Balance cost with quality and reliability. Thanks for watching.